Hello everyone, my name is Wilbert and welcome back to English Talk Daily channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to our English conversation practice.
Today we have another fun and useful English lesson.
Yes, today we will practice English phone calls.
Phone calls are very important in daily life.
Sometimes phone calls are easy,
And sometimes very scary.
especially when someone speaks very fast.
Oh yes, very fast English on the phone can feel difficult.
But don't worry everyone.
Today we will use slow, easy, and clear English.
We will practice real phone conversations together.
So you can feel more confident speaking English on the phone.
And if you enjoy this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, it helps us make more English lessons for you.
Okay, Wilbert, are you ready?
Yes, my phone is ready too.
Great, let's begin.
Donna, do you like phone calls?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Yes, I like calling friends,
That's nice.
but I do not like calling businesses.
Really?
Yes, I get nervous
Why?
because I worry about my English.
That is normal.
Sometimes I practice before I call.
You practice?
Yes, I say, hello, I would like to order pizza.
Pizza practice.
Exactly.
Actually, that is a good idea.
Really?
Yes, practice helps a lot.
Good. I feel smart now.
Everyone, let's learn a very common phone phrase.
Repeat after us. Hello?
Very good. Now, another phrase. Hi, this is Donna.
Slowly. Hi, this is Donna.
This phrase is very useful.
Yes, you can introduce yourself on the phone.
For example, hi, this is Maria.
Or, hello, this is Alex.
Excellent. Donna, who do you call the most?
Probably my mother.
Ah, yes.
My mother calls me almost every day.
What does she usually say?
Did you eat? And are you sleeping enough?
Classic mother questions.
Very classic.
My mother asks me, why don't you answer your phone?
That is also classic.
Sometimes I miss calls because my phone is silent.
Or maybe you're watching funny cat videos.
Maybe.
Everyone, let's practice a simple phone conversation.
Good idea.
I will call Wilbert.
Okay, ring ring. Hello?
Hi, Wilbert. This is Donna.
Hi, Donna. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well.
Very nice.
Simple and easy.
Now, everyone, repeat after us.
Hello?
Hi, this is Donna.
How are you?
I'm doing well.
Excellent job. Donna, what would you prefer? Phone calls or text messages?
Text messages.
Really?
Yes, I can think before I answer.
Ah, yes. And I can use emojis.
Very important. What about you?
I like voice messages.
Voice messages are fun.
Yes, but sometimes my voice message becomes very long. How long?
Maybe 5 minutes?
5 minutes?
Yes.
That is not a voice message.
What is it?
That is a podcast.
Maybe.
Everyone, here are useful phone expressions.
Expression number 1. Can you hear me?
Again, can you hear me?
Expression number 2. The connection is bad.
Slowly, the connection is bad.
Expression number 3. Can you speak more slowly?
Very important for English learners.
Yes. Do not be shy to say it.
Many people speak quickly.
But it is okay to ask, can you speak more slowly, please?
Excellent.
Wilbert, have you ever had an awkward phone call?
Oh, yes.
Tell us.
One time, I answered the phone and said, "Love you, bye."
To your friend?
No,
To your mother?
no.
To who?
To the pizza restaurant. I was very embarrassed.
What did the pizza worker say?
He said, "Thank you."
Oh no.
Now maybe he misses me.
Everyone, mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
Sometimes funny mistakes help you remember English better.
Exactly.
So relax and enjoy practicing.
Now let's practice ordering food on the phone.
Very useful.
Okay, Donna, you call the restaurant.
Ring ring.
Hello, Pizza House.
Hi, I would like to order a pizza, please.
Sure. What kind of pizza would you like?
Cheese pizza, please.
Medium or large?
Medium, please.
Okay. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Great. Your pizza will arrive in 30 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very nice.
Now everyone, repeat key phrases.
I would like to order a pizza.
Again, I would like to order a pizza.
Anything else?
Your order will arrive soon.
Excellent job, everyone.
Donna, do you like talking on speakerphone?
Not really,
Why not?
because everybody can hear everything.
That is true.
And sometimes people forget they are on speakerphone.
Oh yes.
Then they say strange things.
Dangerous situation.
Very dangerous.
Everyone, here is another useful phrase.
Repeat after us. Can I call you back later?
Again, can I call you back later?
This is useful when you are busy
Or sleepy.
or eating pizza.
Pizza is always important.
Wilbert, do you answer unknown phone numbers?
Sometimes.
I usually do not.
Really?
Maybe it's a very important call.
Or maybe someone wants to sell me 10 vacuum cleaners.
10 vacuum cleaners?
Yes, very suspicious.
True.
Now, let's practice another phone conversation.
This time, Donna calls her friend.
Okay.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, Wilbert. Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Do you want to get coffee?
Sure. What time?
Maybe 2 p.m.?
Sounds good.
Great. See you tomorrow.
See you.
Everyone, repeat after us.
Are you free tomorrow?
Do you want to get coffee?
What time?
See you tomorrow.
Very natural English.
Wilbert, do you still remember phone numbers?
Not really.
Me too.
When I was younger, I remembered many phone numbers.
Now, phones remember for us.
Exactly.
Sometimes I even forget my own number.
Same.
That feels a little sad.
Yes, our brains are on vacation. Everyone, let's practice listening carefully.
We will speak a little faster now.
Ready?
Ready.
Hi, Donna. Can you talk right now?
Sorry, I'm busy. Can I call you later?
Sure, no problem.
Thanks.
Very good.
Now, slowly.
Can I call you later?
Sure. No problem.
Excellent listening practice, everyone.
Wilbert, what do you usually say at the end of a phone call?
Usually, talk to you later.
That is common.
Or, have a nice day.
Very polite.
What about you?
I usually say, bye, take care.
That sounds friendly.
Sometimes I accidentally say, love you, bye.
To the pizza restaurant, too?
No, not yet.
Everyone, let's practice ending a phone call.
Repeat after us.
Talk to you later.
Take care.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Excellent.
Now let's do one more real-life phone conversation.
Good idea.
This time, calling a doctor's office.
Okay. Ring, ring. Hello, Green Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to make an appointment, please.
Sure. What day works for you?
Friday afternoon, please.
Okay. Is 3 p.m. okay?
Yes, that works for me.
Great. See you on Friday.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Very useful English.
Yes, phone English is important for daily life.
And the more you practice,
The easier it becomes.
exactly.
Everyone, remember this.
You do not need perfect English.
Simple English is okay.
Slow English is okay.
Mistakes are okay too.
The important thing is communication.
Yes, speak with confidence.
Before we finish, let's review today's key phrases.
Great idea.
Hi, this is Donna.
Can you hear me?
Can you speak more slowly?
I would like to order a pizza.
Can I call you back later?
Talk to you later.
Excellent work, everyone.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today.
We hope this lesson helps you feel more confident speaking on the phone.
Keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
And remember,
Do not be afraid to make mistakes,
even funny mistakes.
especially funny mistakes.
Now, tell us in the comments,
Do you prefer phone calls or text messages?
and what is the funniest phone call you ever had?
We would love to read your answers.
Please like the video
Subscribe to the channel.
and continue practicing English with us.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.